Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be preparing khichdi for you all. And believe you me, even I'm also not a khichdi fan, but I try to I've done some experiment in this, right? So which I'm sure you're going to like it. Do try this. So I'll just directly move towards the ingredients. I have taken a rice, one bowl of rice, and a combination of arhar dal and moong ka dal. It's like 1 katori rice, one bowl rice, and one bowl of pulses, which is a mixture of arhar dal and moong dal, right? Then I have got tomatoes, 2 chopped tomatoes. Then 4 spoons of imli powder. Then I've got onion, right? Then dried chili, coriander leaves, green chili, and this kadi patta, right? Chili and this green chili and red chili you can go as per taste. Same is the case with this thing imli wala water. Then I've got vegetables. It should be like, you can go for any shape or cube or whatever you feel like. And I've taken only beans, gajar, then sitafal and potatoes, right? You can add any other vegetable if you want. Anything else you want to add, you can, right? So let's start with the recipe now. I'll be taking cooker now. I soaked this water and this rice and dal for almost 30 minutes. I'm going to add this whole thing inside without putting any masala. I'm going to cook these things first. So this is basically a mixture of rice and pulses, and the pulses which I have taken, that is arhar ka dal and moong ka dal. It's like 50-50, right? And the ratio is 1:6. If you are taking one bowl of in total, if you're taking one bowl, then you have to put 6 glasses of water, 6 bowls of water, right? Here I've taken 2 bowls of in total I've taken 2 bowls, so I'll be putting 12 bowls of water, right? Now just put all the vegetables together. Even onion also. And rest of the things we'll be putting while making tadka. This is very simple recipe, guys. This is my invention. I have made this. I can't say I made, but yes, this is my invention, because even I don't like khichdi, so I thought why not to give a twist to this. So I'm going to put salt, 1 spoon turmeric powder, and coriander powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder. We're going to turn on the gas. You have to cook it for 2 whistles and keep it on medium flame. So khichdi will be ready in another 5 to 7 minutes. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare chawl. So I have taken 3 spoons of ghee in that, and 2 spoons of mustard seeds, then half spoon of this methi dana, and 1 spoon of hing. This khichdi will be incomplete without hing, so you make sure that you put enough quantity of hing in this. And half spoon of chili powder, because it gives a very beautiful texture. We'll be putting green chili and kadi patta. I'm going to turn off the gas, and at the end I'll be putting coriander leaves. Lovely aroma is coming out. You can see the color. After one whistle, I opened the cooker. Now I'm going to add chopped tomatoes to this. You're going to cook it like this only on medium flame. Now I'm going to add imli water. See, some almost 4 spoons of imli water. I added water also to this. Now after putting imli and tomatoes, we're going to cook it in the medium flame only, like this, and just add 1 more spoon of salt. Once it will be done, I'm going to put chonk. Already prepared the chonk. See, it's all done. After one whistle, I cooked it for another 15 minutes. Right? See, because after one whistle, I added tomatoes and that imli ka pani as well. And then you need to cook it for 15 minutes. So I'm going to add masala to this, chonk to this, right? See, this is all ready. This will basically give you the taste of sambar rice and not khichdi. All the preparation of the procedure is almost the same like khichdi only, but the taste is exactly like sambar rice. I didn't add sambar masala to this, just the base normal masala, curry patta and dry mustard seeds and hing. So we are done with this. So it's done. This is khichdi urf sambar rice. Do try this at home, guys. I'm sure you won't be able to say no if somebody would serve khichdi like this. And do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye.